Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how to fix if your VS Code live server is not opening. So in this case, in this video I will show you some potential fixes. So make sure your project is open directly inside the folder, not a single file, because the live server doesn't work with a single file. So you need to open the entire folder. So where all the files are present, you need to open the entire folder. Simply type code dash. This will open VS Code in that particular folder. So all the files are present, as you can see, index HTML style.css. Now just right click and you will see this option appearing, open with live server. So you just need to select this option, and as soon as you do this, live server will start here, as you can see that. And if this option is not working, you will see this option at the bottom side, which is go live. If you also press this option as well, this will also work the same way. As you can see, it has opened the live server at this address. So both these options will work. And now if this also doesn't work, then you need to go to the file, and then you need to go to preferences and go to settings. So this is you need to go to, and after that, right here inside the search option, just search for live server. As soon as you search for live server, all the settings related to this plugin will come. And make sure, first of all, if you haven't installed this extension, this is really popular extension, just go to extensions tab, type live server. This extension will come, and if you haven't installed it, first of all install this. It's almost having 74 billion installs, so it's developed by this person. Simply click install. This will install it globally, and after that simply search for live server settings, and the host here is set to default, which is 127.0.0.1. so it's local host. Either you can write local host or you can write 127, and you don't need to change this. So just stick with the default options, and after that, so just check these settings. These need to be the same settings right here. You can also edit it inside settings JSON, Control Shift P, and you can open this user settings JSON file. And right here as well, you can search for live server. All these settings here also you can write, but the easy option is simply search for this setting live server and just stick to this option. So just pause the video and just stick to these options which are there. So these are my options which I have set. Just make sure that you set these options as it is. So this option shows the live server on status bar, that is at the bottom side. So just check this option as well. And after doing these settings, just restart your VS Code and then again launch this. So just close your VS Code, and right here inside your folder code dash, this will directly open VS Code directly inside your. So this will 90% of the time this will fix the problem, and again you open with live server. If it also doesn't work, then what you can do is that you can actually clear out caching. So wherever your VS Code is located, simply search VS Code, right click, open file location. Again, right click, open file location. This will exactly tell you wherever VS Code is present. So right here, you will see app data local programs Microsoft VS Code. So if it also doesn't work, you can uninstall VS Code and install a fresh copy of VS Code, download a fresh copy, and then automatically all the settings will be restored. So this is the most easy option. If you have the time, you can uninstall and install it once again. So you can uninstall and reset VS Code. So this will definitely work. So definitely please hit that like button, subscribe the channel.